गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम टू द पार्ट 2 ऑफ लर्न हिंदी सीरीज़। नमस्कार, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आप हिंदी सीख रहे हैं, हमें काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है। हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए एंड डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड शेयर विद दोज हु वांट टू लर्न हिंदी। Fine. So this is series, as you know, and we have completed the first part of the series, where there are, I think, around 30 videos for the beginners, and now those who have completed those 28 videos, they have moved ahead to the second series. There's a new series and part 2 video I'm uploading now. So today the word which I have taken is many, and the magic behind this word is that whenever we use this word with any of the pronoun or noun, means sangya or sarvanam. Okay, noun means sangya and pronoun means sarvanam. So whenever we use this word with another noun or pronoun, it make a sentence in the past tense. Always you'll find the sentence in the past tense after using ne. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब भी आप ने शब्द का प्रयोग करेंगे, चाहे संज्ञा के साथ करें या सर्वनाम के साथ करें, वो अपने आप में पास्ट टेंस बनाएगा सेंटेंस को। ओके, एंड इन द एंड यू विल फाइंड या ऑलवेज, और यू कैन से 99% टाइम या। लाइक मैंने काम किया, मैंने मकान देखा, आ की मात्रा इसका। ओके, मैंने अपना घर का सारा काम कर लिया है। In the next slide, you will find some verbs. The same verb, as you can say, you have seen in the last video. We are not changing any verbs. The same verb we are using. Only thing is that you have to start making sentence with those verbs. Fine. Suppose the verb which is given is karna, so you can make it. मैंने अपना काम किया। लिखना, मैंने आज का अपना लेखन कार्य पूरा कर लिया है, या मैं निबंध मैंने लिख लिया है। मैंने अपना निबंध लिखा है, मैंने कहानी पढ़ी है। तो व्हेनेवर यू आर सेइंग पढ़ी है, लिखी है, लिखा है, गया है, खाया है, हुआ और हुआ ओनली और लिखा ओनली, when the sentence is ending with you can say आ की मात्रा और ई, आ और ई, it means the sentence is past tense. So the conclusion is that as and when you will use many, the sentence will become the past tense 100%. Okay, there should be no confusion with this. Make it understand that whenever you will use मैंने or नहीं, जैसे राम ने खाना खाया, it is past tense sentence. Understood? So keep practicing. Let's see how many sentences. Now the task for the day is, you have read all the verbs. I hope you are able to read. If you are not able to read even the words, just text me in the comment box. I will read the word for you also. So I hope you have read the words. Now start making sentences. Fine. And hope you understood this part as well. In the next video, we'll come up with another word so that you can move ahead with learning Hindi. Fine. Thank you. Good day. Remember not to make the same sentence which you have done earlier for the present indefinite tense. The basic difference in the indefinite tense and the sentence with many is that in the indefinite tense, whenever you make sentence, you have written मैं लिखती हूँ. It is a present tense, present indefinite tense. Okay, मैं लिखती हूँ, मैं खाती हूँ, मैं जाती हूँ, मैं पढ़ती हूँ. But here you will write मैंने लिखा, मैंने पढ़ा, मैंने खाया, मैंने भोगा, मैंने चला, मैं चला, sorry, मैंने नहीं, मैं चला. Okay, so all these things you need to take care and try to make some different sentences if possible. Add some adjectives with this, try to make some bigger sentences, but don't make any mistakes. As per the previous videos, just remember to make one more good sentence. Keep adding something. If you find difficult to make some more sentences, do write to me. And if you are very beginner, you can use the same type of sentences also. But if you think that you have studied Hindi from one past year, try to make new sentences. Try to find out sentences from your book. Write down some sentences and show me. But remember to use these verbs. Fine.